The festive season comes with its own struggles in the form of sari draping. We have 3 super creative and simple ways for you to ace the sari for every festive occasion. First things first, make sure your petticoat is tightly secured. Also, make sure you drape the sari wearing your shoes to get the right length. Start by tucking the end of your sari into your waistband. The length should be just above the ground so your shoes don't show. Go a full round and tuck it in till your navel. Now pleat the other end of your sari. This will be your pallu. Use your fingers to pan the size of each pleat, taking the fabric in and out alternatively. Bring the pleats behind you towards your right hip. Make sure all the pleats are equal before placing it over your left shoulder. Here's a trick to ensure a perfect pallu. Pin them in place using 2 pins placed a little far apart from each other. We'll be taking these pins out right at the end. Once you've adjusted the length, secure the pallu to your blouse with a safety pin. Now pull the fabric from the top part of your pallu towards your navel. Pull the fabric and pin it diagonally for a slimmer look. Hold the rest of the fabric and create a loop in front of you and pleat this using your fingers. To make sure the pleats stay in place and are neat for hours, secure them with a pin and then finally tuck them in into your waistband. Now before you step out, remember to take out the pins that you had used to secure your pallu. If you've been struggling with draping stiff silk saris that end up looking shapeless or thick, try this voluminous lehenga drape. Replace your regular petticoat with a flowy lehenga skirt. Start with pleating your pallu neatly and secure it with a pin. Drape the pleated pallu over your shoulder and pin it in place. Now slide the lehenga waist forward, bringing the back to the side of your waist. Take the pallu around your waist to get an idea of where your pleats will start. The pleats are the hero of this look, so let's make sure they're perfect. Hold the end of your sari and keep a 6-inch gap between your hands. Now start grabbing the opposite ends to create your pleats. Tug at the pleats to neaten them. Pleat the rest of your sari following the same method. Tuck the pleats at the side of your waist after securing them with a pin. Now slide the lehenga skirt back in place, making sure the pleats are at the back. Pleat the edge of your sari and tuck it in at the side of your left hip. Complete the look by adding a delicate belt to accentuate your waist. For this trendy sari drape, we're switching from a traditional blouse and petticoat to any crop top, tights or flared pants. Make sure you have your shoes on when draping. Let's start with the inner section of the sari. Start pleating it from the top corner. Pleat about half the length of your sari and secure them in place with a pin. Tuck the pleats into your waistband and tuck the rest of the fabric too till your spine. Now pleat the other end of your sari, which is your pallu. Pleat it neatly and place it on your shoulder. Adjust the length as you prefer. This will create a drape at your right hip. Secure the pallu to your blouse using a safety pin. Finish this with your favorite accessories and your look is complete. Now flaunt your perfectly draped saris at every event. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.